think? I think the smiles show today. Who among us will ever forget our first ABC? Miss Regunan is still here with us today. Who will forget our first 1, 2, 3? Our first communion? Our first love? Yahoo! Okay. I knew physical kayo na, no? But anyway, as we look back to our yesteryears, we cannot help but remember our beloved teachers who have taught us well and mentored us through our growing up years. To our parents who strive hard to give us a good education, a St. John's Academy education which will serve as our foundation. To my batchmates of class 1983, I am glad that after 25 years, we have kept the friendship, the camaraderie and the love for one another through our single or collective care for each one. And for those who cannot be with us today, we wish them well wherever they are. Fellow batchmates of 1983, this is our day, our moment to relish and our time to enjoy each other's company. Welcome our teachers, welcome batch 83, welcome our guests and friends who have come to join us today. Hope you will enjoy this day as much as we have enjoyed organizing this for you. Thank you.
Ikaw ang nasa program.